So I had called Union and Scale. That's the Staples company that provides this chair, the Dexley chair. And I called them and on this toll-free number. And a few days ago, I think maybe about less than a week ago, and I spoke to Denise, and they were really nice. I explained that the seat was defective, and right away they assigned me a case number, and they said they're going to send me a replacement seat, which I just received today by FedEx. And it was pretty quick actually. I received this seat. I also described to her the problem with the threaded insert missing in one of the holes, just for their reference. When I called, they asked me for for information on the back of the seat. So basically they wanted to know the item number, and they also wanted to know the manufacturing date. So I gave them that, and now today I received the package by FedEx. So that was pretty quick. I think it was less than a week that I received it. So I'm going to open it up now and check. But be careful because it's a seat inside, so I don't want to cut into the fabric of the seat. It's a mesh seat replacement. Okay, so let's take a look. And looks like it's packed pretty well. Okay, so that's the seat. Hopefully this one does not have the same defect. And let's take a look. So here I noticed at least that hole does not have the same defect, and on this side also looks like all the threaded inserts are present. Let's see, this one looks like it looks good. So I'm glad I got this replacement and I can continue to assemble the chair.